third.
Oh, hello.
Look at all the...
Dogs are so cute. Oh, hello.
Yeah.
You like those? Look at the sheep.
That one was running sideways.
Look at them. They go all the way up the hill. Oh, they got little water pails. Oh my gosh.
Sorry, guys.
I think we're good on the sheep now.
Look at how beautiful this is, though. Oh, this is what I love. You know, camping can be pretty great. Out in nature, coming one with it. Having to do things that you normally wouldn't do in a civilized society. Like for us men, more willing to bite the bullet and not stink up the entire trailer. We've got to create our own solutions. Like a little poop tent. That's right, a poop tent. And what I'm about to do is pretty innovative. I'm gonna cut a hole in there. Dig another hole and you know what'll happen next. Camping's always an adventure. This is gonna be fun. Kaylee just came down off some gnarly path. That was good. It seemed scarier than it was, but we found this weird little grove. Look at this place. We came down from there, and then there's this little hole telling us to believe life is good and paradise is that way. I don't know about that. Maybe I'll take a stroll real quick. Just take a peek before we go too deep with the little guy. I'm right here. Oh yeah, this is definitely a walking path. Water. Huh. Neat and sketchy. I like it. Danger. Cool. I'm gonna have to tell everyone else about this. All right, now this is it.
This is where you're gonna walk in?
Yep. We got there's the signpost over there.
Okay.
You gotta walk on in.
Have you go first.
Okay.
I don't have any grip at all.
Are you okay?
My thumb.
Whoa. Oh, sketch-a-rooney. Here. Who put this hole here?
Throw it away. See the leak?
Yeah.
That's pretty though. I wonder where it, like, do you think it ends in Strawberry?
The strawberry's back that way.
Oh. What's that little house thingy?
Little shit. It's a little poop shit. Probably for this. Look at all that like rebar just hanging out.
This thing's not gonna last much longer.
Sketchy.
Oh man, it is raining. Oh my gosh, it sounds so cool. I'm hunkered down in the tent with Scarlett because she's sleeping. So I'm gonna read my book and enjoy the rain. But it is going crazy outside. Let me show you. It is coming down. It's wild. Okay, maybe you can push me. Was a huge lightning storm and thunder. It freaked me out. At least she's still sleeping.
Of course, right when the freaking rain dies down, I get my suit on. I'm going out. Into the rain. Smoking a little, but I think it's just because the water got up there.
There is slowly getting fire, so they're fixing it.
Oh no, hold on to that phone.
Look at that hill! I want
try a trail?
Yeah, but what's a not too bad trail?
This one's not bad. But here's what we're gonna do. Give it gas. Yeah, girl. Now just follow the trail. Ah, bushes. You're doing it.
I'm doing it. Oh, it's too muddy. I don't like it.
Hit the brake. Hold the brake. Hold the brake. Put it in low. Hold the brake. Don't let go of it. Now get back on the gas. Not hard, but get. Now let go of the brake and hit the gas. There. Keep going. Oh my gosh. There we go. There we go. Look at you. Look at you.
Too much anxiety for me.
Oh, turn. There, yeah, there you go. You're a little sideways there. You know what else might help?
But
If we were in four-wheel drive.
you told me.
Here's.
How do I put it in four-wheel
Hit the
drive?
brake. Turn that to four-wheel. Now let off a little bit. There you go.
Stay low.
Now it should be much easier.
Stay
Yeah.
low.
Yeah. Now you want to take the road back or go back the same way?
No, the road.
Okay. Turn here and then we gotta put it in high. Full stop.
It's getting there.
There you go. She's doing it!
I like the road better.
Yeah!
I did it. I like the roads. The bumpiness is a little bit like anxiety driven. But I did it. Maybe if it wasn't muddy and the bumps wouldn't be that bad.
And if you were in four-wheel drive the whole time.
Yeah. Yeah, thanks for that.
That would have helped. I love it. I love the slippery sliding, the bumping, all of it. It's great.